In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set your own photo widgets on your iPhone home screen. If you want to personalize your iPhone with your favorite pictures, here's the easiest way to do it. Press and hold on anywhere on your home screen. Different options will appear. Click on the option Add a Widget. You will be directed to this page. Now scrolling down, you're going to find the list of the apps for which you can create a widget. From this list, you will need to select Photos. Go ahead and click on it. Now here you're gonna find different widget option. You are able to choose the size, whether you wanna choose square, rectangle, or the big one. All I need to do is click on it. Also, you are able to choose the album from which you wanna use the photos. Also, you can toggle on for the option always display in full color. And you can see that the picture has been added as a widget on your home screen. So this way you can easily set your own photo widgets in iPhone home screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.